This is how to fix no internet connection. Please check your internet connection and try again later. Error in your Android phone. So let's get into it and fix this error. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your settings, and here in the search bar you have to just search for reset options. So once you find this option, you have to just tap to open it. And here you can see that a lot of the reset options are available, but you just need to click on the first one, which is named as Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Or maybe in your case you will find an option of the network reset. You have to just tap to open it. And here you just need to select for your network that you are using, and then here you have to just put your PIN or the password to continue. Once you're done, you have to just click on the next. And now here just click on the reset settings option again. And here you will see the data warning that will appear here. So once you complete this process, you just need to restart your device one time. So once you restart your device, you just need to turn on your airplane mode for a couple of the minutes. And after this time, you have to just turn it off again and then restore your internet connection. And after this process, your problem will be fixed. Moving to our second method, you just need to try to change the network connection if available. Like if you are using the mobile data, then you have to just turn it off and try to use the Wi-Fi. Similarly, if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just try to use the cellular data. Once you're done, your problem will be fixed. Our last method is to simply turn off your VPN if you are using in your Android phone. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.